I'm Haas, and this is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. Being in the heart of Spitalfields is a very vibrant hustle and bustle every single day. And the kitchen here is in the middle of the restaurant, which makes for a very pleasurable experience to work in. One of the highlights of Crispin really is there's so many different things we can do. We have a bakery offering, it's very wine focused, and likewise in the evening we can run a full dinner experience. I think with mussels, they lend themselves to so many different flavour combinations. You can go down the light route, or we can go down the spice route like we're doing here. Just a nice, simple, punchy dish. I'm Haas, and we're at Crispin in Spitalfields, and we're going to cook mussels with Nduja and Gremolata. Okay, so the first thing we do, just take the beards off the mussels and have a little wash just before we're ready to steam. Being a natural wine bar, we take good pride in our wine selection. It's a lot of independent, natural producers, and we try and follow the same kind of ethos with the food. So we're sourcing a lot of good suppliers out there and working with the growers. These mussels are from the Shetland Islands up in Scotland. So nice little plumpy numbers, go well with the Nduja, the spice, takes good effect. So we just give the mussels a little wash. And then we're ready to cook the mussels with some sliced shallot and some white wine. So just giving an extra depth of flavour, and we'll use that cooking liquor to add to the Nduja. Okay, so pan's nice and hot. We can go in with the mussels, the shallots and the white wine. Just leave that there for a couple of minutes, let them steam open gently, and then we can get on with the Gremolata. So the Gremolata, we will have chopped parsley, lemon zest, lemon juice, raw garlic and olive oil. And Gremolata is just generally a good dressing to have. I think you can use it across many different dishes, and it's quite handy. Little store cupboard dressing to have at home, really. So we just pick the flat parsley leaves down, finely chop the leaves. I think one of the best pieces of advice I was given as a younger chef was to eat out as much as possible, to buy as many cookbooks as possible. And I think just the inspiration comes from other restaurants I can visit and through travels around the world, really. So we have our chopped parsley, olive oil, lemon zest, and some garlic as well. Okay, so we've steamed the mussels, and the next step we're going to do is with the Nduja. So I'm going to use Nduja because as the spice content, it marries well with the mussels, and then the Gremolata just offsets it with a little bit of the citrus and just lightens the whole dish. So just have a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and then we can start to fry the Nduja. So we just cook the Nduja for a couple of minutes. Then we go in with a couple of knobs of butter, a little bit of the liquor from the mussels. So we've got that white wine going back into there, the flavour from the shallots, and then we emulsify that with the butter, and that becomes our sauce. So we're going to take the mussels out of the shell so they can get nicely coated, mixed with the sauce. So hot pan on for the mussels, and they'll just naturally open nice and wide. We can get them out. And so now we're ready to plate. We'll just lay the mussel shells, and we'll just place the mussel in the shell just to make it a little bit easier to eat and a little bit more refined. Put a little bit of the sauce on. And then we just finish with our Gremolata. And so that's the finished dish, the mussels with Nduja and Gremolata.